Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. That will depend on the time you get to catch up with the content. Welcome to our channel, and in case it's the first time you're getting to interact with our channel, my name is Masika Rani, a Kenyan content creator based in Nairobi, Kenya. Welcome to our channel. In case it's the first time you're getting to interact with our channel, we deal with house documentation. By that I mean documenting your journey. Maybe you want in future to see that one day you were living in a bedsitter, yeah? Such things, documenting or rather inspiring, through our houses, sorry. Yeah, and we have added another segment that is Airbnb. You plug, yes. Yes. Let me showcase this house. It's a 3-bedroom. Let me showcase, and in case you have a question, please ask me. Yeah, I'm easy to interact. Please allow me to showcase this B&B that you'll get for 4,000 per night or 90,000 in a month. And just have a look. We have a spacious kitchen, fully equipped. This B&B, I said it's 3-bedroom. It's 20 minutes drive away from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, sorry, and 5 minutes drive away from the Athi River SGR Terminus. Yes, we have even more storage just in case you want to stay with us for a month. Just in case you want to stay with us for a year, 2 years, 3 years, welcome. Fully furnished, Yes. All we need is you. Have our dustbin over here. Our microwave, as well as our dining area. One thing, guys, I don't know whether you guys have noticed, table manners, our dining, we so keen on such details, and you don't have a reason as to why you can't book with us. No, you should book with us. Hydration, as usual, we take it very serious. Comfort. Comfort is key. Matters entertainment. For friends who love art, when you come to this space, you'll feel at home. You'll feel at home. Guys, forgive me. I've had a very long day. Please forgive me. Matters art, you'll feel at home. Basically, that's our living area and the dining area, as well as our kitchen. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Let me know. What do you think? This on our way, the corridor to the master bedroom, as well as the other 2 bedrooms. But let's stop over here where we have our common washroom and bathroom. I love the fact that they have separated the washroom from the bathroom. I love that. Our sink, hard wash, you sorted. A mirror over there. Yo. You don't have a reason as to why you can't book with us. Imagine 4,000 per night, and we can accommodate up to a maximum of 6 people. Come cook over here. Come have fun, chill, Netflix and chill. Sometimes when uko home, umeshikwa na to pressure, to stress, we got you covered. Come chill. Kuja, tulia, meditate, think about your life. Then, after that one night, by the time you're going back home, you'll be, utakuwa umefikiria ni nini unataka kwa life, maybe ulikuwa umekasirikia kakitu kadogo. Come enjoy our space. Our services top notch. Ay. Sorry for the lighting. I think I have too much lighting because of the natural light as well. Wardrobe, we have spacious wardrobes. Wardrobes. Oh God. We have our other bedroom. Beddings white. Our wardrobe spacious. Our rooms are so spacious, not congested, as you can see. Let's get to our master bedroom. Yeah, you come, you just sit over there, think about your life. In fact, you can just come chill in our rooms for a night to just meditate and think about your life. What do you think, guys? Yeah, our master bedroom. We have white beddings as well. Very spacious wardrobes. Hey, sorry for that. It's due to too much lighting. One thing I love about this space is the fact that when it comes to lighting, hey, they do not come here to joke. The view of our living area. Then I said our master bedroom is Ensuite. So when it comes to over here, when it comes to matters, sanitary towels, among other things, you know, the things you sorted. Matters hand wash, mirror. The washroom, the bathroom is bigger. Only that this space over there, that one, makes it look smaller, but it's bigger. Let me show you. You know, I'm just here with you guys. It's big, you see. This one, the partitioning can make you feel like it's small. It's not. It's a 3-bedroom, 4,000 per night, maximum 6 people. You can book for a month for 90,000. Fully furnished, internet connection, 20 minutes drive away from Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, 5 minutes drive away from the SGR at the River Terminus. Yeah, we are near malls like Gateway Mall, Signature Mall, and another mall I will tag on the description box. Yes, in case you have a question, ask on the comment section. You can ask me on my Instagram, DM me. Don't hesitate. I usually answer all my DMs. Yes, please. So, and in case you want more details, or in case you want to know more, you can call me 0703 607686, 0703 60 76 86. You'll talk to Mercy Karani. I'm Mercy Karani. Yeah, it's easy to interact with people. I love people. I love good vibes. I love good energy. Yeah, just try me out, so that we can do business, you know, matters business. I'm so open. I'm so okay. So guys, until next time, bye bye.